This is it! Finally, our time has come. We worked so hard to get here. Kaya naman, pinapangako ko sa Diyos at sa harap ng ating mga magulang na ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko habang buhay.
I don't wanna miss you. I wanted to know that you'd understand. That I don't wanna miss you. But what you waiting for? And I don't think anyone could care more. I'm not gonna kiss you any more time. Experience your love in the way you lie. We're just human, don't forget you owe me for reminding you you'll die.
Ito na yung araw na inaantay talaga natin. Kaya tagal natin ito inantay. Ayun, ito na talaga. Konti na lang, officially, legally, this is na si Ronald. Who would have thought man na yung babaeng tinatanong ko lang dati, palagi ng ilang taon na, at anong height, tuwing dumadaan ka, yung tao pala na makakasama ko, magiging nanay ng mga anak ko, ang mamahalin ko at ang magmamahal sa akin.
And I just wanna see you care more. I'm not gonna kiss you any more time. Experience your love in the way you lie. We're just human, don't forget you owe me for reminding you you'll die. If I am lost, then who are we? Society not built.
Sa mundong walang katiyakan, ikaw ang pipiliin sa bawat saya at lungkot na hamon ng buhay. You are a godsend and someone I never expect to have in my life. Salamat! Dahil ikaw ang pinili ni Lord para piliin ako. Palagi kong sinasabi sa iyo to, sobrang thank you for always giving me a peace of mind and a calmness in my heart.
Are we really here? Do you really trust me? Feeling lower in the summertime. The ocean moves over your shoulders, but you won't die.
Nung makilala naman kita, nung nakilala mo rin naman ako, dati wala lang simpleng tao lang, pogi lang, char. Walang plano, trabaho lang, dito, inom dyan. Di alam anong purpose sa buhay ba. May nagsabi nga sa akin, di ba, na nandito nga yun eh. Di ko daw alam ano makakapagpasaya sa akin. Then dumating ka. Nagulo buhay ko. In a good way naman. Diba? Pero forever with you, ma. It simply will not be enough. But from this day forward, pinapangako ko na di pa rin, di bitaw, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, mga pagsubok na maharapin pa natin. Sabay pa rin natin papalakihin mga bata at magdadagdag pa siya. Pangako, ako pa rin ang magiging critic mo pag magti-TikTok ka at biggest fan mo din, syempre. Pangako, patuloy pa rin kitang yayakapin at aamin kahit mahasin ka pa. Pangakong hahawakan pa rin ang iyong mga tanong hanggang sa ating pagtanda, mauunang lang ako ng tatanda.
I fight back the tears and I feel my heart racing. 'Cause you're like a dream and I love you like crazy. And I can't remember.
Thank you also for being a good father. tulungan ko eh. Sobrang thankful ako kay God. Talaga na ikaw ang pinili niya para sa akin. Ngayon, masasabi ko na talaga na nasa iyo ng lahat. Dahil simula sa araw na to, ako ay magiging Mrs. Acerado na. Max, love you!
You walked in, and you know the rest. Dropped to my knee and I prayed to God that you say yes, yes. Fast forward, I'm shaking with each step you're taking to me so gracefully. I fight back